Welcome to my channel, D Cares and Shares. Today, we're gonna see how to inflate a balloon with carbon dioxide. Usually we pump balloons to inflate it or blow it with your mouth, but this time we're gonna do it with chemistry. All you need for this simple science experiment is a plastic water bottle here, baking soda, then comes vinegar and some balloons, because the balloon we're going to blow it, inflate it with the baking soda and the vinegar. I pour 1/4 cup of vinegar into the plastic bottle like I did. See here? Well, now my mom just put a lot of baking soda inside this balloon, about this much. See? And then since we have to shake it a little, and then what we have to do, since we put already baking soda, use an adult's help, and please use an adult's supervision and help, because let me take this out. You see this part of the water bottle? We need to take it out. So please use an adult's help to take it out. You might get hurt. I used my mom's help to cover this on the lid. Then I have seen it in YouTube, but I haven't ever tried it. So let's get surprised together. Let's see what happens. I hope it blows up. Inflates. Oh. It's about to happen. Oh, look! It's happening! See? This one's getting bigger and bigger. It's actually happening. Look at this. Look at our balloon. Whoa! See what happened? The balloon inflated. Let's see the science behind it. What happened is that, you know that vinegar is acid and baking soda is base. So when you put them together, they get into carbon dioxide, and then they inflate this balloon. Wow! Did you see when it was growing, it went up, and now it went all the way down? That was cool. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe and like to my channel. Bye!